So now that you've got a buzz rolling on your horn, you can do a couple of things here. You can actually start with the buzz and bring the horn into contact, which might be a little tricky, but I think it's worth a try, and I'll demonstrate that for you right now. Notice it wasn't actually even the same pitch that I started on, but because of the mechanics of the trumpet and the speed of the air, it guided it right into that note. Okay, so that's one approach. You can just take that concept and practice the buzzing and move the application straight to the horn. Some of you may find that note, others may find this note. We're not concerned about note names, we're concerned more about sound, experimentation, and comfort. So whichever note you find first, stick with it and refine your sound until it's exactly what you want. Now, I mentioned earlier that you can create a sound without a buzz, and this is where people really sort of have some disagreements about trumpet playing, but I'll show you that because it's quite remarkable when you recognize this created a sound, but so does just air. Some may argue that that sound is a little richer and fuller. And oftentimes people will argue that the amount of work that's needed to create a sound by just focusing on blowing is much less and creates a more relaxed sort of approach to playing. I'm not going to get too deep on that right now, but it's okay to learn to buzz. It's important to learn to buzz, but you should also keep in mind that that soft setting with blowing air alone will create a beautiful sound and might actually become more of the approach that you'll use long term as a trumpet player when creating a good sound.